esoteric relationships, mystical relating that goes beyond the typical dating scenarios or marriage, but that mystery, esoteric nature to relating is something that people feel, but they don't always know how to experience. And in this course, I'm going to be offering, which is the mystical relationships course, and it deals with the topic of soulmates, twin flames, and soul flames. So 3 different styles of relating, what they are, how they relate to each other, and how to navigate through these styles of relating. So a soulmate relationship is something that most people want, they're looking for. And that's probably the easiest relating esoterically to be part of. But then there's 2 others. Some people know about twin flames. Less people know about soul flames. So within this course, what we'll do is we'll explore all those different places and how to navigate through that type of relating, and actually how to find those people, and also how to be really clear, because sometimes we think we want it, we get it, and then we have to run away from it because it's way too intense. Because esoteric relating has a lot of intimacy, and it goes to the depth and the core of who we are and reveals us in different ways. But it also gives us a chance to further this desire to be in the depth and connection in love and relationship. So I love this course. People love this course. One of my most popular courses. I'll be offering it coming up here. And if you're interested, please jump on. Let's go. You can go to tantraquest.com and find out more about that course and other courses that are going on within my programs. If you want to learn Tantra or explore different ways of how you can live a life well lived, I'd be happy to support you and share that with you. Thanks for listening. Namaste.